Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this lag problem. So in the first step, go to search bar, type task manager and simply open it. After that, click on run new task and simply click on browse button. Now open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open system32 folder. Simply scroll down, search it and double click on it to open it. Then find out cmd.exe file, select it and click on open. Now this will be our path, Windows system32 and cmd. Check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. Now type here these two commands very carefully and simply press enter from keyboard to execute this command. Type in sfc slash scan file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe.dll, then press enter. Now type sfc space slash verify file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe.dll. Now press enter and type exit to close the command prompt window. Now move to the next step, go to run. You can press Windows plus R key together and type temp and click on OK. Now click on continue. Now simply select all these files and delete them. Right click on it and select delete, then click on OK. Check this box and click on continue. Now we need to skip some files. Once done, close this window. Again open run, type %temp % and click on OK. Now again we need to select all these files and delete them. Now close this window. Now open run and type prefetch, click on OK. Again select all these files and delete. This will boost your system, and after that go to search bar, type control panel, click here to open it, then go to system and security, then power options, and we need to select create a power plan. Now check high performance and then simply type here gaming performance, click on next, set up to 45 minutes and then cool. So this is created now. Now close this window, open file explorer, right click on C drive, open its properties, then select disk cleanup. On this window clean off, and it will take some time to complete the process to clean up the disk. Once done, check this box. We need to uncheck this one first, and after that click on OK. Click on delete files. Once done, simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, you're good to go.